This is the second video on Besame. So I'm going to play we're going to talk about the third line. So there's a lot of things going on in the third line of Besame. One is that we're going to get rid of, you have the D7th chord, and the second chord in that line is a C chord, C sus. Get rid of that C sus, cross it out. I'm not going to use it. You're going to have 4 beats there in that first measure, and then 2 beats in the next measure that you need to fill in. So one of the things I suggest there is to make an octave of the 2 Ds going down. Here's my middle C. So we're in the very first measure, and you're going to shake that octave. I might fill it in. Although I like to fill in my octave with notes from the D chord. So I'd say 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, because I still have 2 beats in the next measure, so I'm going to fill those in somehow. On the third beat of the second measure, the chord is D7 with a flat 9. There's my melody tone. The flat 9 is E flat, and we're going to put it into the right hand. So you might want to write that into your music. The right hand is going to have D flat there. The next chord is D plus, which is D, F sharp, A sharp. It says take the last note, which is the note you're going to plus, and make it go up 1. With that's the melody tone. So I want to go through those chords again. We're going to get rid, we're looking at the beginning of the third line. The D chord you're going to shake an octave, so you get an octave, not up, down. There's your middle C. Get rid of the C chord. In the next measure, you probably can't shake for 6 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and I improvised a bit off of the D chord. I could have done it anywhere. 1, 2. The third beat of the second measure, I can't see what the word says. Sa, me, third and fourth beat. The chord is D7 with a flat 9. This is the 8th note of the D chord. That's the 9th note, E, but it's flat. We're going to put that E flat into the right hand. The next beat, which is the May part, and that's the D chord, that's your melody tone. It's a D plus chord, so you take your chord and move it up 1. So your chord is D, F sharp, A sharp. And now we're on mucho. On the G chord, we're going to use G, D, G. So you don't have to worry about the sus part. Actually, the A is going to make your sus. So that says Besame, mu, and then we go to G minor. So it's G is G, D, G, G minor, D, G, D, G for the G chord. The G minor is D, G, B flat. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm just going to do that part. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The very last measure, we're going to do an improvisation, and you need to write this on your paper. You're going to write the notes, just the names of the notes. D, B flat, G, D, B flat, G, D. So the first thing you have to do is write that out, and I'll give you a second to do that. And again, it's D, B flat, G, D, B flat, G, and then finally D. So you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 notes. The rhythm there is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So it should sound like this. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and you have to practice that. So I'm going to play that whole line. Actually, I'm going to play the whole song. come to the next line, which is mostly simple chords and simple chords and triplets, and they're slow triplets worth 2 beats. So we'll talk more about that next line in the next video. Have fun. Bye-bye.